Ride in the 2016 Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tires, rear all-season, wheel covers, front disc rear drum brakes, steel wheels, FWD. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.